Hello students, I am Dr. Rashmi Sharma, Associate Professor Zoology, SPC GCA अजमेर। आज हम क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ प्रोटोजोआ पढ़ेंगे। क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ प्रोटोजोआ, सब फाइलम ए प्लाज्मोड्रोमा, क्लास 1 Mastigophora, flagella is present, example is Euglena. Class 2 Sarcodina, pseudopodia are present, example is Amoeba. Class 3 Sporozoa, no locomotory organs are present, these are parasitic. Spore formation, example is Plasmodium. Disease causing, subphylum B, class Ciliata, cilia present. Next class is Suctoria, cilia present in young and adult, tentacles are present, example is Podophyra. Subphylum 1 Sarcomastigophora, superclass A Mastigophora, these are flagellated, pellicle is present, binary fission, free living or parasitic, autotrophic or heterotrophic. Class 1 Phytomastigophora, chlorophyll bearing, paramylon present. Class 2 Zoomastigophora, these are parasitic, undulating membrane is present. Trichomonas is the example. Superclass B, Opellinata, cilia are present, no cytostome, parasitic in frog and toad, example is Opellina. Superclass C, Sarcodina, pseudopodia are locomotory organelles, example is Amoeba. Class 1, Rhizopodia, example Entamoeba and Amoeba. Class 2 Actinopodia, Exopodia are present, example Actinophrys. Class 3 Pyroplasmia, small rounded parasite in RBC, example is Babesia. Subphylum 2 Sporozoa, no locomotory organelles, spore formation is present, endoparasites. Class 1 Telosporia, locomotion by body flexion. Subclass A Gregarina, trophozoites large and extracellular, example is Monocystis. Subclass B Coccidia, trophozoites small and intracellular, example Plasmodium. Class 2 Toxoplasm, spores are present, cyst present, asexual reproduction by binary fission. Class 3 Haplosporia, spores are present, schizogony present, Celosporidium. Class 3 Nidospora, spores are present, zygote forms trophozoite. Class 1 Myxosporidae, parasite in fish, Myxobolus and Myxidium. Class 2 Microsporidae, parasites in Arthropoda, example is Nosema. Subphylum Celiophora, fourth subphylum is Celiophora. Class 1 Ciliata, cilia are present. Subclass 1 Holotricha, example is Paramecium. Subclass 2 Peritricha, apical and buccal cilia are present. In Holotricha, cilia are present on whole surface, and in Peritricha, apical and buccal cilia are present, example Vorticella. Subclass 3 Suctoria, suctorial tentacles are present, Actinia. Subclass 4 Spirotrichia, buccal cilia marked, example Steinter and Borseria.